Guys, Robin Gaming here, and welcome back to Minecraft Pocket Edition. So, we're on this server, Skywars server, cookie build, actually. So, let's hop into a game, actually. Yeah, let's hop into a game. 3 over 4, instantly start. There we go. Put on our armor. Ooh, let's do this. Oh no, how did that disappear? How did that disappear? How did that disappear? That glitched. Let's try another one, shall we? Ooh, I think this is Minato. Yeah, so let's hop into another game. Oh, here it is. 0 over 4. There. Let's put on our gear. Oh, I just removed my pants, I think. Oh, it's shuffling. So yeah, we get bread. Ooh, does it, this started? Yes, it did. Let's wait for it. Come on. Let's kill. What? Server is updating. Alright, we're just gonna hop onto Instant Network actually. Yeah. Let's type our password. There we go. Let's do this. We're gonna hop into Block Hunt again. So yeah. Let's see if we can join. There we go. We joined Block Hunt. There. Transferred to BH6. What's happening to me? I'm shaking. Oh, there we go. When we wait, let me actually parkour. Oh no, I missed the first jump. Haha, there. Can I make it? No, let me just go to the piranha plant. There is the piranha plant. Let's go. Waiting for 10 players. That's a lot of players. Oh, ooh, what was that? What happened? So, yeah, let's wait for it. I will be back when it starts. Hey guys, I'm back, so we're gonna start in 30 seconds. Yeah, let's do this. Jump there, jump there, jump here. Oh, not made it. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There. I'm a color. Where am I? What? Oh, there we go. There we go. Where shall I call or hide? Let's hide here. There we go. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, sit there. Let's hide here. Okay, solid, come on. There we go. We're now solid. Let me hop into third person actually. Yes. This is going well for me. Nice hiding spot. Um, the color is there. And this is another color right there. Haha. So yeah. Hunters release in 17 seconds actually. Let's wait for it. Oh, I can see the hunters right there. Oh, I'm switching my hotbar. This looks ridiculous. Look. I'm switching my hotbar. Look at me. Ha ha ha! Oh, hunters have been released. Let me go switch to my sword. There's the hunters. Oh my goodness. Am I gonna be found? Am I gonna be found? Oh my goodness. Please have mercy. Oh my god. Oh. Fine. We're hunters. Let's do this. I saw a coal ore like right here. Oh, TNT, TNT. Oh my goodness. You take care of that, guys. I will take care of here. Oh, I found Christina. Kill him. Oh, there. Or her. Haha. There we go. Got one. There's 5 blocks left and there's 4 minutes. This is actually getting good for us. Actually, yeah. So many TNT in here. Actually, let's check. Check. Unknown. Let's do this. Oh, I can't get up. There. Let's look for gold blocks actually. There. So yeah. Furnaces. Where am I? I don't even know. Where am I? 4 blocks left. Let's check this iron, shall we? There we go. Let's just walk. I think I'm back at the spawn. Yes, I think I'm back at the spawn. This is where I hide. Oh, didn't find somebody. I guess Color doesn't hide. Oh, there's only 3 blocks left. I lagged. There, let's just swing our swords. There. I'm one last block by Unikitty Cat 5. What does that even mean? So yeah, let's do this. Let's look for blocks. 2 blocks left, Hunters 11. This is going well. This is actually going well. To be honest with you, it's actually going well. Let's check all the coal. Here. Ooh. There. Let's go up here. Up here. Let's go up here. Hello. Let's go. The server will tell you at 1 minute. Alright. We already know it. Let's just keep spamming this. There. Ooh, the only block left. Ooh, she's the only block left. Ooh, only 1 block left. If it goes 1 minute, then the server will give us some hints. Let's just swing our sword and spam it. I'm the cast block? What do you mean? Color! I know it! I know it! Color. I knew it. Cole is so suspicious. I think this is it. Let's look for her, shall we? There. Coal ore. There we go. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's look for this. Let's do this. Color, come on, color. Oh, there There she is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I almost got her there. No. So GG. GG. There we go. So that is another round of block hunt in Instant Network PvP. So yeah, if you want for more epic Minecraft Pocket Edition content, be sure to subscribe and drop a big like in this video, and I will see you all next time. Peace out. See you guys.